Hey, how's it going? My name's Ed. Thanks for joining my channel today. This is BUR Tech, build, use, review, or I barely know anything about this stuff. I actually used to do this a long time ago, almost about 20 years ago, building PCs, networks, and stuff like that. This is my first build since. I hope I don't screw it up. Technology has changed a lot, so we're going to basically be doing an unboxing here. And also I'm going to be doing a build today. So, for the unboxings, in the back, well actually not the unboxings. So what we're going to be using today, in the back we have our AOC 27-inch monitor. You know, it's 144 Hertz. Going to be do the job for gaming and stuff like that. I'm also going to be doing editing on this rig and a bunch of other little stuff. To hold everything in, we have our Cooler Master H500P. It's a mid-tower case, RGB, should have plenty of room for everything you see on the table. The motherboard on this is going to be the Crosshair 7 Hero non-Wi-Fi. I like wired connections. The reason why I chose that board is the two MD2 slots, also the overclocking capabilities, because that's one thing I plan on doing a little later on. To power this bad boy, we got the EVGA 750GE modular power supply. It should do really, really fine. We have Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200, 16 gigs of RAM. We also have the two VNAND SED NVMe M2 drives that'll be going in there. Also, that's going to be my boot drive. That's going to be a total of 500 gigs. Processor, Ryzen 7 AMD 2700X. For mass storage, 2 terabyte Seagate drive. And graphics cards. The ROG Strix Gaming GeForce RTX 270 Overclocked Edition. So that should be awesome for this build. So sit back and enjoy. So first I'm going to be unboxing is my Cooler Master case with two 200mm RGB fans. Okay, I chose this case. Aesthetics, looks really nice. I should have plenty of room for everything I'm going to be building today, so let's not waste any time and let's open her up. Little overkill, but it works. First thing we got here is a little packet. What's in the packet? Oh, the accessory box. Ooh, we got cables, we got ties, we got adapters, Molex adapter, nice. Even though I don't like Molex. Very nice, got our screws, mounting hardware. Then we have our case. Oh, and check it out, Cooler Master, gotta love you. Handles. Here we go, the unboxing and unveiling. Time to do some peels. Didn't do it right, sorry, damn it. Do a front peel here. Probably the worst unboxing you guys have ever seen because I can't actually get the tabs. case, I'm in Japan, so I don't have a bloody quarter. So let me find a straight slot, which I don't think I have in this carrier. There we go. Of course, it doesn't work. And the glass doesn't fall, but it's easy to take out. You just lift it right out. Put it in here so I don't break it. If I break it, the video will probably go viral. There you go. Inside this case, we got the two 200mm RGB fans. We got our SSD slots, cases here. Power supply shroud, very nice. We also have the hard drive bay, motherboard with the center standoff in. So we're gonna put in our standoff. One back cooling fan. This case is also compatible with vertical GPU mounts. Okay. Clear mesh on top, plenty of room for a radiator. You have lots of ventilation on the top. Let's look underneath it. Filter on the bottom, which is very, very nice. And now I'm gonna undo the thumb screws to the back, which for some reason Cooler Master put it on so tight I gotta use a screwdriver. On their catching also. On the back, we have pass-through grommets right in here for our motherboard for the wire pass-throughs. We also have wire management covers, which is great. Also other places to put on our SSDs if we tend to go that way with SSDs. On the front, two USB 2 connectors, two USB 3.0 connectors, headphone jack, mic jack, power button, reset button. That's it in a nutshell. This is the case I'm going to be using. There you are. Okay, next is going to be a mess. Next is going to be our ROG Republic of Gamers Crosshair 7 Hero gaming motherboard. Take a look. And here we are. It's an RGB motherboard, 4 DIMM slots for your RAM, so you can do dual channels. AMD4, perfect. You have 2 GPU slots here, which looks like double spaced. PCI slot here. Let's take her out. See what's in the box. Piece of plastic, very nice. I always wanted plastic. Oh, we got a coaster, CD. My secret password. Yeah, I don't think I want to show that. On the bottom, of course, you have your stickers. You have your labeling stickers. You have your case stickers. You have stickers just to put on your girlfriend's car just to piss her off. Then we've got here, manual, always good to have. Let's see what's anything else under here. Oh, cables, and more cables for days. All right, we have our front panel connector. We have, what is this? Hell, I don't know. It's, oh, this is an RGB. This is a SLI bridge. This is your M.2 standoff, I believe. Another M.2 standoff. Extension cable. This is going to be your SATA cables and more SATA cables. On the front side, you have your clear CMOS, which is very good if you're going to be doing overclocking, you screw up. What else we have here? Your BIOS. You can actually do a quick flash on your BIOS. You have a special port for your BIOS. You have USB 3, you have USB 2, your LAN, your basic video components, and the USB Type 3 slot. Plus you also have your old style slots for your keyboard and motherboard combined. So there we go. Whenever you're building a computer, make sure that you test everything first to make sure it all works. So I'm going to put this off to the side for right now before I get started and unbox a few things, and we'll start putting this bad boy together. Okay, let's, where's my graphics card? Not my graphics card, my CPU. My CPU is the Ryzen 2700X. Cha-cha! So the first thing we pull out happens to be the cooler. This is an RGB cooler. The RGB cooler is just a vertical mount cooler. It's a blow down, which is actually nice because it actually hits the VRMs and everything on the side, so you get extra cooling on that. Then we got our chip. Let me bring that over. There's our chip. AMD Ryzen, check that out. Nice. With a sticker right on. And there we go, we have our cooler. Oh, first thing I gotta do, actually I gotta unpack the batteries. Not battery, power pack, so I don't blow up anything. Put that off to the side. Oh, here we go. We have our EVGA, another book. I have a lot of reading to do. I haven't done this in a long time. Tell you one thing, I really like the way they package stuff now. These nice bags and everything, high cushion. When I started making computers, it was just thrown together. No cable management. Everything was unpolished, unbrushed aluminum just sitting in the back or inside your case. So here we have the EVGA power source. Like I said, the worst unboxing, I'm just building the computer. Here we go, this is modular. Let's see what we have on here. We have our motherboard, CPU 1, CPU 2, VGA, SATA. You got 3 SATAs. VGA number 2 for 2 graphics cards. Oh, actually, it's up to 4 graphics cards. Check that out. Very nice. And a whole slew of cables, which I'm just going to leave over to the side for right now. Basically because I can. It's my video. Okay, what am I looking for? So don't zap anything, I'm on carpet. I need my power. And wouldn't you know, it's a 3-prong, and I'm in Japan, and there are no 3 prongs. So I'm not going to be able to bench it. Now I'm pissed. Here we go with the Ryzen chip. Where the hell did it go? Here we are. Horizon chip is in. Next, I'm going to put in my Vengeance RAM. There's my RAM. Okay, oh, gotta peel, gotta peel, gotta peel. Failed. Again. This is gonna be my cooler. There we go. Please, God, let it work. Okay, I'm hitting the power button now.